In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Hootsuite. So you've decided it's time to update your email address associated with your Hootsuite account, whether it's for security reasons or simply because you've made a switch to a new email provider. Whatever the reason, changing your email in Hootsuite is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to the Hootsuite website. Once you're there, look for the login button. This should be pretty easy to locate, typically found at the top right hand corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. After clicking on login, you'll be prompted to enter your current email address. This is the email you've been using to access Hootsuite thus far. Type it into the designated field. Following that, you'll need to enter your password. Make sure you type it correctly. Passwords are case sensitive and must be entered with accuracy. After you've entered your password, go ahead and click on Sign In. If your credentials are correct, you'll find yourself landing on the Hootsuite dashboard, the control center for all your social media management activities. Now that you're signed in, it's time to head over to your profile. You can find the profile option easily. Look for something that might say Profile, or it could be represented by an avatar or icon of your profile picture if you've set one up. Once you find it, click on Social Accounts and Teams. This section is where Hootsuite aggregates all your linked social media accounts and team settings. Within the social accounts and teams area, you'll find a section titled Profile. It's here that you'll begin the actual process of changing your email. Click on the Profile section and then look for an edit icon. It's typically represented by a pencil or pen symbol. This icon signifies that you can edit your profile settings, including your email address. Clicking on this edit icon leads you to the Account and Settings section. This is essentially the hub for all your account related adjustments on Hootsuite. It's where personalization happens, from changing your password to, as you guessed, updating your email address. Now it's time for the main event, actually changing your email address. Within the Account and Settings menu, look for an option that says Change Email Address. This is your gateway to updating your email. Once located, click on it. At this stage, you'll be prompted to enter your new email address. Make sure you type this in correctly, as this will be your new point of contact for all Hootsuite related notifications and communications. Alongside your new email, you'll also be asked to re-enter your password. This step is crucial for verifying your identity and ensuring the security of your account. After entering your new email and password, the final step is to click on Confirm Password. This is the moment of truth, where your changes are finalized and set into motion. Once clicked, Hootsuite will typically send a confirmation email to your new address asking you to verify the change. This is a security measure to ensure that the email change was authorized by you. Make sure you access your new email inbox and look for the confirmation email from Hootsuite. Once found, follow the instructions within, usually involving clicking a verification link. This step finalizes the process, securing your new email address as the official means of communication with Hootsuite. And there you have it. Your Hootsuite account now reflects your new email address. It's a simple process, but making these updates is crucial for maintaining the security and efficiency of your social media management operations. Thank you for following along with this guide. Remember, keeping your account information up to date is an important aspect of digital security and personal management in the online world. If you have any more questions or need further assistance with Hootsuite or any other social media management tools, feel free to reach out or explore our channel for more helpful guides. Happy managing!